EndNote is a software package that you can use to collect and organize your references and to create bibliographies. This video will demonstrate some of the different features of managing references in EndNote. This includes editing references, previewing references, deleting references, removing duplicates, and adding PDF files. If you notice something is not correct in your reference, it is easy to edit the information. For example, it appears the name of this journal has been entered in capital letters. To edit this title, I need to access the record, so I first need to select the reference, so it is highlighted on screen. Now I can either right-click and choose Edit Reference, or I can select the reference and click Edit in the right-hand pane. The fields of the reference will be displayed, and you can click in a relevant field and update as required. Once you have made changes, remember to click Save. You can also preview how your reference might look in your chosen referencing style. To do this, you need to open the reference window by clicking the arrow. The reference is currently being displayed in the annotated style. Click the arrow next to the style name. Then choose the option Select another style. This will give you the full list of referencing styles available in EndNote. Select the one that you want and then click Choose. Once you have selected a style, the reference will be shown in this style. Sometimes you may find that you have references in your library that you no longer need. You can easily delete references. Click to highlight the reference or references you no longer require, and then drag them to the trash folder. Alternatively, you can right-click on a reference and select Cut, and this will send the reference to the trash. If you delete something by mistake, simply click on the trash folder and you can highlight the reference and click the bin icon with a curved arrow on the front, and your reference will be moved back to your all reference list. If you no longer need those references in the trash folder, you can click on Trash and select Empty Trash, and all references will be permanently deleted. Sometimes when you download lots of references, you may end up with duplicates. EndNote has a tool which will help you find these duplicates and remove them from your references. You need to select Library and then Find Duplicates. A new window will appear which will show duplicate references. Select the version you want to keep and click on Keep this record. The other reference will automatically be moved to the trash folder. Once you've gone through the duplicates, you will see that your library has been tidied up. EndNote allows you to add attachments such as PDF files to your references, so you can store all your information in one place. To attach a PDF, click on the reference you want to add the attachment to. Next, go to the right-hand pane and click Attach File. A box will appear. You need to locate the PDF file from your computer. Once you have the correct file, click Open. The PDF has now been added. Click on the PDF to view the file in a new window. It is possible to add annotations to the PDF. Click on this icon and you can access tools such as a highlighter to select text, underline, or add sticky notes to the pages. Once you have finished, you can close the PDF viewer and return to the main screen. A paperclip icon is displayed next to a reference in the central panel to show which references have PDFs attached. If you require further help with using EndNote, you can email library@mmu.ac.uk and you can access the EndNote guide from the library's homepage, where you will find further information and videos on using the software effectively.